Namaste children. In this session number 57, we are going to discuss the problems from worksheet number 1 from 11th part to 25th part under the chapter linear equations in one variable. In the last class, I had given you the homework 11th part and 12th part. Children, I think some of you have solved. Let us see the solution here. 2 by 5z is equal to 3 by 8z plus 7 by 20. Here you know z is in the left hand side, one more z is in the right hand side. Like terms we have, let us group them. Grouping means we are transposing the term which is having a z term to the left hand side. So here it is plus 3 by 8z. When I take it to the left hand side, it becomes a minus 3 by 8z is equal to 7 by 20 as it is. Now let us group the numbers and which is common term, let us keep it outside. Z is common, I have kept outside. 2 by 5 minus 3 by 8. Here we have to subtract the two rational numbers, but for subtraction the denominator is not common. Let us make it common by taking the LCM. 5 and 8 LCM is 40. First fraction into the factor. 5, how many times is 40 children? 5 8s are 40. That 8 we are going to multiply in the numerator. 8 5s are 40. That factor we are going to multiply in the numerator. 2 8s are 16 minus 3 5s are 15. 16 minus 15 is 1 divided by 40z is equal to 7 by 20. Here 1 by 40 is attached or is multiplied with the z. We want the value of z. So into 1 by 40 we have to remove. To remove 1 by 40, we have to multiply 40 by 1 in the left hand side. So we have to multiply the reciprocal of 1 by 40, which is 40 by 1. When we are done in the or multiplied the 40 number in the left hand side, we have to multiply the same number in the right hand side. When we do that, 41s are get cancelled. You are left with z is equal to, here in the right side 21s are 22s are 7 2s are 14. So z value is 14. Now it is time to check. Let us consider the given equation and substitute in place of z 14. So 2 by 5 in place of z 14 is equal to 3 by 8 into 14 plus 7 by 20. If it is possible, cancel, otherwise keep it as it is children. Here 14 2s are 28, 5 1s are 5 in the left hand side. In the right hand side, 3 by 8 into 14, 8 and 14 can be divided by 2 table. 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14. 7 3s are 21 by 4 plus 7 by 20 as it is. Here let us add these two rational numbers. 4 and 20 LCM is 20. 4 and 20 you know with the prime number you have to divide. So 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. We know how to take the LCM for different denominators. We got 20. 4, how many times 20? 4 5s are 20. 21s are 20. 21 5s are 105 plus 7 1s are 7. 105 plus 7 is 112 by 20. In the left hand side we have 28 by 5. Now let us make it to convert this 112 by 20 to the lowest term with the table 4. Here 4 2s are 8. In 11 8 is gone, 3 is left. 3 and 2 means 32. 4 8s are 32. Then we have in the denominator 4 5s are 20. 28 by 5 is in the right hand side, which is equal to the left hand side. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Next is question number 12. 2 by 5y minus 5 by 8y is equal to 5 by 12. Here what we do, in the previous question we had the like term in the other side, left hand side as well as right hand side. But here it is already grouped. The like terms are in the same side, that is left hand side. Now only the thing is we have to group the numbers by taking out the common factor outside the bracket. 2 by 5 minus 5 by 8 into y is equal to 5 by 12. Different denominators, take the LCM. 5 and 8 LCM is 40. 5 8s are 40, or you have to take it by time factorization. 5 how many times? 5 8s are 40, 8 5s are 40. 2 8s are 16 minus 5 5s are 25. 16 minus 25 is minus 9. Plus 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Subtract and keep the bigger number sign. You will get minus 9 by 40 into y is equal to 5 by 12. I have to remove this 9 by 40. To remove 9 by 40, I have to multiply 40 by 9. The reciprocal of 9 by 40 is 40 by 9 in the left hand side. When I have multiplied 40 by 9 in the left hand side, I have to multiply the same number in the right hand side. Now cancel 40 and 9. You are left with the minus y is equal to, here you have cancellation, 4 3s are, 4 10s are 40. 50 by 27. So y will be equal to, minus send it to the other side, minus 50 by 27. Now checking the answer, take the question, in place of y substitute minus 50 by 27 and minus 5 by 8 into minus 5 by 50 by 27 is equal to 5 by 12. Here you have multiplication. You can cancel with the 5 ones are 5 10s are. 10 2s are 20. Minus sign. You have minus sign here. So minus 20 divided by 27. Minus into minus is plus. Here cancellation is possible with the 2 table. 2 4s are 8. 2 25s are 50. So 25 5s are 125 divided by 27 into 4 is 108 is equal to 5 by 12. Now here in the denominator, if you take the LCM for 27 and 108, you get the 108 as the LCM with 3 table, 3 9s are, 3 3s are 9, 3 6 are 18. Again with 3 3s are 9, 3 12s are 36. Again with 3 1s are, 3 4s are, 2 2s are, and then 2 1s are. In this way we get the LCM here. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 2, which is 54. 54 into 2 is 108 is the LCM, children. So LCM we write, and we have to multiply the factors in the numerator. 27 how many times? 27 4s are. 27 4s are 108. 108 ones are 108. Minus 20 into 4 is minus 80. Plus 125s are 125. Now we get the 125 minus 80, we get 45. 1 is plus, 1 is minus. Subtract and keep the bigger number sign. 45 by 108. With what table we can divide here? We can divide this number by 3 table. Or you can go with the 9 table as well. 9 5s are 45. 9 1s are 9. In 10 9 has gone, 1 is left. 1 and 8 is 18. 9 2s are 18. 5 by 12 in the left hand side, which is equal to 5 by 12 in the right hand side. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Question number 13. X plus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 20 minus 2x minus 5. Here you can observe, children, here the common factor is kept outside. We have to expand this. Expanding means by removing the brackets, we have to multiply. 3x plus 2, 2 into x is 2x plus 2 2s are 4 is equal to 20 minus minus 2x. Minus into plus is minus. 2x in the bracket, we keep it here. Minus into minus is plus. 5 as it is. Now, here you have x terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x. In the right hand side, we have minus 2x. If I take it to the left hand side, it becomes a plus 2x. Here, 3x plus 2x is 5x. Then this minus 2x, I am going to take it to the left hand side. I write plus 2x. Now here in the right hand side, 20 as it is, plus 5 as it is. But here in the left hand side, we have plus 4. If I take it to the right hand side, it becomes a minus 4. In this way, what I have done in this step is, I have grouped the like terms in the left hand side. X terms in the left hand side, numbers in the right hand side. 5x plus 2x is 7x. 20 plus 5, 25 minus 4 is 21. X is equal to, transposing children. 7 into x means, to remove 7, I'll multiply by 1 by 7. Here also I have to multiply by 1 by 7. Isn't it? So, we get 7 ones are 7 threes are. Instead of that, what we can do here is, transposition. So I'll make you to learn what is transposition, children, in this step here. Instead of multiplying the reciprocal, we can just transpose, that is into 7 to the right hand side. When you send into 7 to the right hand side, it becomes divided by 7. 21 by 7 is 7 ones are 7 threes are. X is equal to 3. Substitute the value of 3x in the given equation. The given equation is 3x plus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to 20 minus of 2x minus 5. In place of x, if you substitute 3, see I have substituted 3 by using the big brackets, because minus sign is outside. I am using the big brackets here. After I substitute in the next step, we are going to multiply. So 3 threes are 9 plus 2 as it is. Inside 3 plus 2 is 5 is equal to 20 as it is minus, inside the brackets, 2 threes are 6 minus 5 as it is. In the next step, 9 plus 2 fives are 10 is equal to 20 minus 6 minus 5 is 1. Minus sign is outside, keep it as it is. 6 minus 5 is 1. Now 9 plus 10 is 19 is equal to 20 minus 1 is 19. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Children, next is question number 14. 30 into y minus 4 minus 3 into y minus 9 is equal to 5y into y plus 4. Children, here as I told you, you have to remove the brackets. 13 into y, 13y minus 13 fours are 50. You have to multiply here the outside term with the inside term. 13 into y is 13y minus as it is 13 fours are 52 minus 3y minus into minus is plus 9 threes are 27. In the right hand side, we have 5 into y minus 4, that is 5y. 5 into y is 5y plus 5 fours are 20. Now, let us group the common terms 13y minus 3y, which is 10y. And then 5y you have in the right hand side, take it to the left hand side, it becomes minus 5y is equal to 20 in the right hand side. Then minus 52, if I take it to the right side, it becomes plus 52. 27 also will become, when you send it to the right side, it becomes minus 27. So what happens here? First, in this step, I am going to group the like terms. That is, y term I am taking it to the left hand side, all the numbers to the right hand side. This is called as transposing. When you are transposing, the sign changes, children. Here, plus 5 will become minus 5. minus 52 will become plus 52. Plus 27 will become minus 27. Here 10y minus 5y is 5y is equal to 20 plus 52 is 72 minus 27. 72 minus 27 is 45 children, which is equal to 5y. Now into 5 I don't want, I have to remove, I have to send to the right hand side. This becomes 5, y is equal to 45 into 5 will become divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 nines are. Y is equal to 9. So here I have used the method of transposing again. Into 5, I am just sending it to the right hand side children. Into 5 will become divided by 5. Directly you can do this. Now I am going to check the answer by considering the given question. So in place of y, we are going to substitute 9, 13, 9 minus 4, minus 3, 9 minus 9 is equal to 5 into 9 plus 4. 13 into 9 minus 4 is 5, minus 9 minus 9 is 0, is equal to 5 into 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 5s are 65, minus 3 into any number is 0, minus 0, 13 5s are 65. Therefore, 65 is equal to 65, LHS is equal to RHS. In this way, we are going to solve 15th question. Here you can observe 14 and 15 are similar questions. What we have to do? Again, we have to remove the brackets. 2z minus 7, minus sign is outside. So the inside sign changes with the multiplication. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9, z as it is. Minus into plus is minus. 3 8s are 24, which is equal to 4z minus 9. Children, now it is time to grouping the like terms. If you have it is in the right hand side, we will take it to the left hand side. If you have numbers in the left hand side, we will take it to the right hand side with changing the sign. Now you can observe. Let me group first. 2z minus 9z and 4z will become minus 4z, which is equal to numbers is in the right hand side minus 9, then minus 7 will become plus 7 plus 24. Children, now let us subtract. 2z minus 9z is minus 7z, minus 7z minus 4z is minus 11z, which is equal to minus 9 plus 7, minus 2, minus 2 plus 24 is plus 22. Z is equal to 22 by 11, 11 ones are, 11 twos are, minus z. So minus z is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 2. Here you can observe, I have used again the method of transposition. I don't want this into 11. I will send it to the right hand side. It becomes divided by 11. Therefore, we get z is equal to minus 2. When minus sign is sent to the right hand side, it becomes minus again. So now it is time to check the answer. 2z minus 7 minus 3z plus 8 is equal to 4z minus 9. Children, you can observe here, we are using the value of z in the brackets. I am using the big brackets so that we are not getting confused here. Minus 3 into 3 minus 2 plus 8 is equal to 4 into minus 2 minus 9. Remove the brackets now. Minus 4 minus 7 minus 3 as it is. Inside let us solve first. Minus 6 plus 8 is equal to minus 8 minus 9. In this way, we are getting here the verification we have to solve. Minus 4 minus 11 is minus 11, minus 3, minus 6 plus 8 is 2. which is equal to minus 17 in the right hand side. Minus 11 minus 3 into 2 is minus 6 minus 17. Minus 17 is equal to minus 17. In this way, LHS is equal to RHS. Children, next is question number 16, which is 4 into 2y minus 3 plus 5 into 3y minus 4 is equal to 14. Here, it is time to remove the brackets, children. 4 2s are 8y minus 12. 4 3s are 12 plus 5 3s are 15y plus into minus is minus 5 4s are 20 is equal to 14 in the right hand side. Now, grouping the like terms, 15 plus 8 is 23y is equal to 14. I'll keep it as it is in the right hand side. Minus 12 minus 20, I'll take it to the right hand side. Plus 20, plus 12 and plus 20. Because we are taking it to the right hand side, minus 12 will become plus 12, minus 20 will become plus 20. Now 23y is equal to 14 plus 12 plus 24, which is equal to 46. Y is equal to 46 divided by 23. See what I have done? 23y is nothing but 23 into y. Into 23, when I send it to the right hand side, it will become divided by 23. 23 ones are 23 twos are. Y is equal to 2. Now it is time to check the answer by considering the given question. Plus 5 into 3y minus 4 is equal to 14. In place of y, we are substituting 2, children. 2 into 2 minus 3 plus 5. 3 into 2 minus 4 is equal to 14. Remove the brackets. 2 2s are 4 minus 3 plus 5 into 3 2s are 6 minus 4 is equal to 14. 4 into 4 minus 3 is 1 plus 5 into 6 minus 4 is 2, which is 14 again. 4 ones are 4 plus 5 twos are 10 is equal to 14. 10 plus 4 is 14 is equal to 14. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. These type of questions has to be solved, children. Algebraic expression chapter as well as linear equation has to be practiced again and again. Now, question number 17 is of little different type again. 17, 18, 19, all these are different type of questions again. What we do here is, you can simplify left hand side and right hand side separately, or there are two methods, children, in this. You can group the like terms like x is in the right hand side, you can take it to the left hand side. So what I do here is, I keep it as it is and I take the LCM only for these two. 2 3s are 6. Because to make the common denominator, I just keep the two terms and take the LCM only for these two. LCM for 2 and 3 is 6. Multiply 2 3s are 3 2s are 3 into x minus 2 into x. 3 into x is 3x. 2 into x is 2x. 3x minus 2x is 1x. Is equal to, in the right hand side, if I take 4 and 2 LCM, you get 4 as LCM. 4 ones are 2 twos are. X into 1 is 1x. Then 2 into 1 is 2. So 1x plus 2 I get. So what we are doing here, you can observe, I am going to cross multiply. You know what is cross multiplying? So 1 into x or 1x into 4 and 6 into this complete expression. So what I do here, 4 into 1x is equal to 6 into 1x plus 2. 6 I have multiplied with the right hand side. 4 I have multiplied with the left hand side. 4 ones are 4x is equal to 6x plus 6 twos are 12. Now you can group the like terms by taking 6x to the left hand side. 4x minus 6x is equal to 12. Minus 2x is equal to 12. And then x minus x is equal to 12 divided by 2. Because into 2, if I take it to the right hand side, it becomes by 2. 2 ones are 2 6 are 12. Now you have x is equal to 6, or if I take minus to the right side, it becomes minus 6. Therefore, now you got the value of x, children. Now it is time to check. Checking by considering the given equation, x by 2 by minus x by 3 is equal to x by 4 plus 1 by 2. In place of x, we are going to substitute minus 6. Be careful, you have minus sign one more, is equal to minus 6 by 4 plus 1 by 2. So what I do here, minus 6 by 2, minus into minus is plus 6 by 3. Minus 6 by 4 plus 1 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 threes are, 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1. Here you can take the LCM, 4. 4 ones are 4, 2 twos are 4. Minus 6 plus 2 ones are 2. The right hand side, minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4 is by 4. Left hand side we have minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 4 ones are, 4 ones are. Minus 1 we got in the right hand side as well. LHS is equal to RHS. Children, 18th question is also similar type. Here z minus 2z by 3 plus z by 2 is equal to 5. What is the difference here? Here you had in the right hand side you have x term. But here what is there? All the variables are in the same side. Now we have to take the LCM for 1, 3, 2. All are like terms, children, because all the rational numbers are having a z, only z as common. Therefore, these become the like terms. Now you can add or subtract. Now while doing that, we have to take the LCM to make the denominators common. So 1, 3, 2 LCM is 6. 1 6 are 6. 3 2s are 6. And then this is 2. 2 3s are 6. As we do for the numbers, I do same here. And multiply the variables as well. 6 into z is 6z minus 2 2s are 4z plus 3 into z is 3z is equal to 5. 6z minus 4z is 2z. 2z plus 3z is 5z. Divided by 6 is equal to 5. Now what we have in the left hand side, children? 5 by 6. When I take it to the right hand side, it becomes z is equal to 5 into 5 by 6. When I take it to the right hand side, it becomes the reciprocal. 5 by 6 should be written as 6 by 5. Now you can cancel 5 ones are, 5 ones are, z is equal to 6. Substitute the value while you are verifying. In the given equation, z minus 2z by 3 plus z by 2 is equal to 5. In place of x, we have to substitute only 6. 2 into 6 by 3 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 5. 6 minus 2 6 are 12 by 3 plus 6 by 2 is equal to 5. Cancellation, 3 ones are, 3 fours are, 2 ones are, 2 threes are. In such cases, you can't cancel here, children. Only we can cancel numerator and denominator. If you are getting the whole numbers, 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is equal to 5. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. We have done question number 18. 19 is also of same type, children. 19th question, that is 6y plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is equal to 7y minus 3 divided by 3. Here the question is little different, children. You have to be careful while solving. So what happens here is plus 1 is there. Plus 1 has to be considered separately. Here what we have done, 6y plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1. So this is one rational number, this is one rational number. If you want, you can take the brackets. Now this becomes one rational number, this is one rational number. 1 and 2 LCM will be 2. 2 how many times is 2? 2 ones are 2 and 1 twos are 2. So any number multiplied by 1 is same number. So I write 6y plus 1 plus 1 twos are 2 is equal to right hand side as it is. Now what I am going to do is I am going to multiply or cross multiply. Cross multiplying, you know, this is multiplied with 3 and this complete is multiplied by 2. So by 3 if I send it, it will become into 3. By 2 if I send it right side, it becomes into 2. See how it is? 3 into 6y plus 1 plus 2, which is 3. We can write it as 3 here. Directly 3 is equal to 2 into 7y minus 3. Now remove the brackets. 6 3s are 18y plus 3 3s are 9. 2 7s are 14y minus 3 2s are 6. Like terms has to be grouped. Plus 14y if I send it, it becomes minus 14y. Plus 9 if I send it to the right hand side, it will become minus 9. 18 minus 14y. 18y minus 14y is equal to minus 6 minus 9. 18 minus 14, 4y is equal to minus 15. Y is equal to minus 15 by 4. So this is only the solution, children. Now it is time to verify. Y is equal to minus 15 by 4. First consider, while verifying the answer, we have to consider the given question. 6y plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 again. 7y minus 3 by 3. Here the value of y we have got is minus 15 by 4. So 6 into minus 15 by 4. In place of y, I will write minus 15 by 4 plus 1 divided by 2. This fraction rational number we have written. Here separately we have again plus 1 is equal to 7 into minus 15 by 4 minus 3 divided by 3. So what we have done here, we have substituted in place of y minus 15 by 4. Now, if it is possible, cancel, children. 2 ones are or 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Plus into minus is minus 15 threes are 45 divided by 2 plus. Here it is 1. 1 means 1 by 1 whole divided by 2 plus 1. In the right hand side, no cancellation is possible. So directly multiply 15 sevens are 105 divided by 4 minus 3 means minus 3 by 1 divided by 3. Now you have two rational numbers here and two rational numbers here. Together we have to add them. What happens for 2 and 1 LCM is 2 and 2 ones are 2 and 1 twos are 2. So minus 45 plus 2. Minus 45 plus 2 is, children, minus 43. Here you have whole divided by 2. 2 means 2 by 1 I write. Again you have plus 1 is equal to. Now it is time to add or subtract these two. 4 and 1 LCM is 4. 4 ones are 4. 1 fours are 4. Minus 105. Here you get minus 105 minus 3 fours are 12. So minus 105 minus 12 will be minus 117 divided by 4 whole divided by 3 means 3 by 1. Now children, we have got the answer as for minus 43 by 2 whole divided by 2 by 1. So what I am going to write is, for minus 43 by 2 I write as it is, into this 2 by 1 I will take it to the numerator, it will become 1 by 2. The reciprocal, it will become 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to, same here, minus 117 divided by 4. 3 by 1 reciprocal is 1 by 3. Now it is time to cancel if it is possible. Otherwise, keep the numbers. Minus 43 by 4 plus 1 is here. Plus 1 means 1 by 1 is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9 and 2 is left. 3 9s are 27. Minus 39 divided by 4 we got in the right hand side. Here again we have the rational numbers. Make the common denominators. 4 ones are, 1 fours are, minus 43 plus 4 in the right hand side, minus 39 by 4. Minus 43 plus 4 is minus 39 by 4, which is equal to minus 39 by 4. LHS is equal to RHS. So in this way, we have got the only verification, children. This is only verification and this is the solution of question number 19. Let me solve one more question here. Question number 20. That is 6x minus 2 by 5 is equal to 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Here, you can do this in two ways, children. One is by taking it to the left hand side. What happens is, you can either take it to the left hand side to group them, or we can do it as it is 6 minus 2 by 5 is equal to, here you have common, so it will be easy for you. Keep common denominator one time and one time. So it will be the same, 2x minus 1 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is 2x minus 2 divided by 3. Cross multiply 3 into 6x minus 2 is equal to 5 into 2x minus 2. 3 6 are 18x minus 6 is equal to 10x minus 10. Now grouping the terms, 18x minus 10x is directly write 8x minus 6 minus 10 plus 6 minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 8. X is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2. 4 ones are, 4 twos are. Now substituting the value while verifying. While verifying, you have to consider the given equation, that is 6x minus 2 divided by 5 is equal to 2x minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1 by 3. In place of x, you have to substitute minus 1 by 2 and then other numbers as it is. You can observe the 2 number is going to be cancelled. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Here 2 ones are, 2 ones are. You are left with minus 3 minus 2 divided by 5. Here minus 1 is, minus into minus is plus 1 divided by 3. Here minus 1 is minus 2. Isn't it? So it will be changing to minus 2. Minus 2, minus 1 is minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 3. In the right hand side, common denominators you have 3 and minus 2 minus 3 will become minus 3. 3 ones are, 3 ones are. Here you have minus 5 by 5. 5 ones are, 5 ones are. Minus 1 is equal to minus 1. LHS is equal to RHS. In this way, 20th question, children. Still we have 21st and 22nd. All these are of same type. 21 and 22. Here we have to take the LCM and then cross multiply. Here you can directly cross multiply 2x minus 3 into 10 and then group the terms. In this also, remove the brackets and group the terms. So we will take the homework for 21, 22 and 23, and 24 and 25 are of decimal form. Let me discuss in the next class. Hope you have understood well. Thank you, children.